Okay, back to the mushroom. We're on the mushroom right now. It has its death and explosions, registers a collision. So what I did instead might be a little different than everyone else. My take damage, I set the animation depending on the health associated with it. This actually just felt better when I did it. I started this out as like a jank way to do it, but as I started like playing around, I actually like this significantly more. I have health be modulus by 4, and that's to compensate for the poison. Set this. I do this to set the scale just because it sometimes does the like 1 frame, and then remove the mushroom and all that kind of stuff. Poison states. You can set the poison or the state depending on who it collides with. There's no movement obviously for a mushroom. Kind of funny you put that in the thing. And mushroom's not very exciting. The only thing exciting about it, I guess, would be the mushroom field. No. What's going on? What? Okay. Factor manager. So everything as you want has a manager, and the manager handles everything that's necessary, obviously. The manager is the observer in my game. It keeps track of, obviously, for the flea. Initialize the mushroom field, and attempt mushroom spawn. This is used for things like the scorpion, or the spider and the flea. Or not the spider, centipede. It just checks whether it can get in there, and then can use it further. So you saw the basic sounds. You saw the smooth rotation. It's the bottom row. I think you saw it go up. It does split when it hit, and it drops to the bottom when it hits a poison mushroom, except I did it poorly. Scorpion you saw, basic sound. I think you saw it change directions. It does. Or not change direction, but flip sprites. And creates a poison mushroom you saw. Basic sounds for the flea. Creates mushroom you saw. I think you saw that. And it has. I didn't test the 2 lives. Let's see if I can get that to work in a couple seconds. Yeah, and again, crappy thing. So he spawned and then he stopped spawning. He went fast. 2 cell wide was the spider, and then I just showed you the demo. So the mushroom field. This is essentially my mushroom field. The mushroom manager is my mushroom field. It initializes the mushroom field. It just does a bunch of loops. This is the first one, which just gets you the number of mushrooms you look for. Maintains a query. That's done by the factory, and then the pool. Those are done. Pool. That's done through all this. It's pretty self-explanatory. Nothing exciting to show you. Game modes, you want to see tractor mode and game mode. Oh, and then I'll show you. There are 2 players. So if I press 2 instead of 1, this is player 1. Take damage. Hello, scorpion or spider. And then let's try and die. So there you go. Died. We have another one. We're still on wave 1. 16. 14. Still high score 16. So that is it. That is 2-player mode. And they did have different mushroom fields. Game mode, how to demo this. Game modes. Okay. Yep, that worked. Oh, I didn't show you that you can write your thing. You can write to the screen. Let's ship. This is showing you that you can input the text for your username or whatever. So I'll get a little bit of points. Die. Die. And die. Okay. So they clean up at the end, but right now he's still running, so it works. So DJU, I press enter, and it's 300 DJU. And then that, I think I can get another one. Yeah, I can do another one if I wanted to. And then die. Oh, I only had 1 health, I guess that time. SSW. And I did it. So that is that. I will stop it here and move on to the next one.